Another great element you can put on your posters is a QR code. A lot of kids right now have cell phones, so they can look up a website. If you have a Weebly, or if you have a video that you uploaded that is like a recruitment video, my wife did that for her band, where she just took a bunch of pictures and videos from the year before, put it along to some fun music, made it look really fun and exciting to be in band, and it would be a great way to have them take a look at that. The best one I found so far is this QRCodeMonkey.com. So the first thing you gotta do is get your website. I'm gonna make one for my lesson website I send out to all the local schools. I'm gonna go back here, put in, there we go. Now if you want to set a color, I'm not going to do that, but if I had like a certain color scheme I wanted to stick with, I mean, I may try that, but I'm not going to worry about that for now. You can on this add a logo, which is kind of cool. So I made this little logo for myself, and I did the same process as I did in the last video with it. So let's see, there it goes finally. And then we got customized design. So if you want to do anything crazy with it, I don't know, I'll just pick something so it doesn't look as typical as every other single one I've seen. So there we go. All right, now create QR code. The cool thing about this is you can change the quality of that code. So my image is kind of in there. I would download as a PNG. Let's make sure it's all up to date here. Go in folder. All right, there we go. This is a really great way. I would add it to your recruitment posters within the 21st century, and I think it kind of gets kids more excited about band, shows them what they should be a part of. So that's one element you can add into your poster.